And the big chill is the focus on our show tonight. Let me go across to my colleague Shuja ul Haq, who joins us live from the valley to give us an update on how the Jammu and Kashmir is really coping with the snowfall and the power crisis. Let me go across to Shuja. Shuja, hope today is better than yesterday when we've been seeing severe blackouts. What's the situation like back there?
Well, absolutely, Rupani. The cold wave continues to sweep the entire valley even today. I'm right now standing on the bank of the Dal Lake in Srinagar, which is partially frozen, and the temperature hovers around -5 degrees at this point of time. While there have been certain things which have improved since yesterday, like the electricity supply has been resumed in certain areas, but still there are a lot of areas which still remain cut off from the main towns and cities. Clearly a witness to the fact that how the life was disrupted because of the snowfall that took place. The temperatures continue to fall down. Even today in areas like Gulmarg, the temperature was recorded at -14 degrees, while in other parts of the valley it continued to remain the same story. The national highway which links the Jammu to Srinagar and a main lifeline for the valley was also disrupted. The traffic movement was closed. Only today it was resumed, but that too very partially. So clearly entire lives seems to have been thrown out of gear by this extreme weather condition that we are witnessing in the valley. Rupani?
Right, Shuja, tell us about what's the situation with the prediction as far as the forecast for the snowfall is over the next few days.
Well, as of now, the Met Department has said that there is a possibility of more snowfall and rains being lashing at several places, particularly in hilly areas. But they have predicted that the temperature would continue to go down from here on. But as of now, in areas which are very hilly and inaccessible, the warning that is being given to the people is to stay off the avalanche-prone areas, as there is a possibility of more snow which could trigger avalanches. But as of now, the Met Department is only saying that the condition of the cold wave will continue to remain the same as for at least couple of days for the Valleyites.